The body, take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your knit finger. And then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and the mid finger. Work into a magic ring. Make a loop around your mid finger. And pinch the crossover of the yarn. Insert hook into the loop of mid finger. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on the mid finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook, and put the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. Such a V shape is formed on the side. It's not counted into the number of stitches. Remove the magic ring from the middle finger. Okay. Then work 6 single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop through the ring. There are 2 loops and hook now. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops and hook. That's a single crochet. Such a V shape is formed on the side. Place a marker in the first stitch, through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. We need to mark the first stitch of every round. Continue to work 5 more single crochets in the same way. Six single crochets are done. There are 6 V shapes on the side. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker. Insert the hook into the mark stitch. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then pull the first loop on the hook through the wrenching loop on the hook. That's one snip stitch. Round 1 is done. The snip stitch serves as a connection. It's not counted into a number of stitches. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 increases. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. Okay. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 6 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Insert hook into the first stitch, where we just worked the snip stitch of last round. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. The first single crochet is done. Mark the first stitch of every round. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. Two single crochets are in the same stitch. That's 1 increase. There are 2 V shapes on the side. Continue to work 5 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Six increases are done. We can see there are 2 small V shapes here. One is a snip stitch of previous round, and the other one is a chain stitch of this round. They are not counted into the number of stitches. Skip these two V shapes. Remove marker. And work one slip stitch in the marking stitch. The snip stitch services as a connection. It's not counted into the number of stitches. Round 2 is done. Pay attention to the yarn's tightness during crocheting. If the yarn is too tight, we can't insert the hook easily. If it's too loose, the fabric will be out of shape